It looks like Samsung is finally listening. You remember how the Galaxy Ultra series started off as these massive, boxy powerhouses? Amazing on paper, but not exactly the most comfortable phones to hold? Well, with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it seems Samsung is taking a big step back, but in the best possible way. Recently, new leaks, including fresh renders and even a screen protector, have pretty much confirmed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra is going rounder than ever. And honestly, it feels like Samsung is finally learning from its own history. Let me explain. A few years ago, rounded corners were the default look for the Ultra models. Then Samsung axed the Galaxy Note line, merged the S Pen into the S series, and made the design super boxy, practically like holding a mini rectangle of glass and metal. The phones looked sleek, but man, they dug into your hands and even your jeans pocket. The Galaxy S25 Ultra softened things up a bit earlier this year, and everyone noticed. It was still bold, still premium, but actually comfortable to use. Now, if these new leaks are accurate, and Ice Universe, the tipster who shared them, has a solid track record, the S26 Ultra is pushing that even further. The leaked images show noticeably rounder corners, almost like what we had on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, except with a flat display instead of curved edges. That's actually a smart move. Flat displays are better for durability, they're easier to use with the S Pen, and they avoid those annoying accidental touches. It feels like Samsung is taking the best of both worlds, the elegance of curved design and the practicality of flat screens, and merging them into something that finally makes sense. We even got side-by-side shots comparing it to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and interestingly, the iPhone still looks slightly more rounded. But it's close. Really close. For once, these two giants are starting to look more alike than ever before. And then there's the timing. Apparently, Samsung's launch event might be delayed a bit, with the Galaxy S26 lineup expected around late February, possibly the 25th. That's a bit later than usual, but maybe they're taking their time to perfect things. There's also talk of a price hike across the S26 series, thanks to rising component costs. So yeah, your next Ultra might be even more expensive, but if Samsung really nails the comfort, the design, and the user experience this time, it might just be worth it. And here's the thing. People keep saying Samsung is losing its Ultra identity. But when you really think about it, this isn't a step away from what made the Ultra special. It's a return to its roots. Back when it was big, powerful, and comfortable, not just a slab of specs. So the Galaxy S26 Ultra might just be the most refined Ultra yet. Anyway, that's everything we know so far. What do you think about this new rounded design? Is Samsung finally getting it right, or are you still Team Boxy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay curious,